Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa Lisa. Thanks for clicking on the video today. Guys, this is going to be a short video where I am going to be styling a round end table in the entryway. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I so appreciate you for clicking on this video. And if you're returning, welcome back. You all know I cannot do this without you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. We have made it to the reveal. I want to thank you all so much again for tuning in on this video today. This is a quick, simple, and easy table design that anyone can do. The items that you see here, I did pick all of those items up from a Ross store. So get into this black, white, and gold. Also too, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. I appreciate all of your continued support. So continue to watch the video until the end, and At Home with Lisa Lisa will see you all in the next video. Enjoy!
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home